As a factory specializing in the production of cotton rope baskets, we understand the importance of creating products that not only serve a functional purpose, but also provide a personalized touch. Embroidery on cotton rope baskets is a great way to achieve this goal. By adding unique designs and colors through embroidery, our baskets become more than just storage containers, they become beautiful pieces of art. Our team of skilled artisans has years of experience in embroidery and can create a wide range of designs, from simple geometric patterns to intricate floral motifs. We use high-quality threads that are both durable and vibrant, ensuring that our embroidered baskets remain beautiful for years to come. In addition to providing a personalized touch to our products, embroidery on cotton rope baskets also allows for customization for our customers. Whether it's adding a monogram or a special design, we can work with our clients to create a basket that meets their exact specifications. At our factory, we are committed to providing the highest quality products and services to our customers. Embroidery on cotton rope baskets is just one of the many ways we strive to exceed expectations and create unique and beautiful products.